Hey there, John from mysolarhome.us. I'm a solar professional, been doing solar and batteries for the last 12 plus years. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over why going solar may be a good idea for you or may not be a good idea. If you are environmentally conscious and you want to do your bit for the environment and keeping our planet green and alive for the next generation, then of course solar panels are a no-brainer. Installing solar panels is effectively the same as reducing your carbon footprint and planting trees at the same time. Average solar systems in the US on homes reduce between 6 to 20 tons of carbon dioxide over the year. Installing a solar system is like planting 200 to 500 trees in your neighborhood. If you want to do good for your planet and for the environment, going solar is a no-brainer. Now, a lot of folks want to do both. They want to do good by the environment and they also want to save money. So, will you save money with solar? Like many of you, I am suffering from huge sticker shock with the gas prices today at the pump. $5 a gallon, unbelievable. I wish I could have locked in my gas rate sometime earlier, maybe at $2 or something. Wouldn't that have been great? Now, going solar is essentially doing that. You're locking in your electric utility rate at a low price for the next 35 years. So depending on your situation, solar usually saves most folks money. Now, solar locks in your electric rate to between 5 to 8 cents, depending on which state you stay. And in some states which have got good incentives, your locked in rate is even below 5 cents. Is that 5 cent rate good? Well, consider this, that in most of the United States, the current rate at which you're buying power is between 10 to 20 cents. And there are some outlier states like California, Hawaii, etc., where you pay over 30, 35 cents. So yes, locking in your solar electric rate at 5 to 8 cents or even below that is a fantastic incentive to save money. If you're staying in one of the states where the rate for electricity is 10 cents or more, then it's a no-brainer. Solar is going to save you a boatload of money. Since solar ties you down to between 5 to 8 cents or even lower than that, you're good with solar in almost all the states. The only caveat is you have to stay in your home for a bit. This works if you stay in your home for at least 5 years, and if you're staying for more than 10 years in the home, then it's absolutely a great investment. Finally, you got to make sure your home is good for solar. Not all homes are good for solar. If you've got a large tree next to your home which casts shadow on your roof, then unfortunately solar is not going to be a good investment for you. Even if the tree is a little far away from your home, but it casts even a little shadow on your roof, it causes havoc with solar production, and instead of you making your money back in 5 or 6 years, it could stretch your investment to 10, 15 years. So solar works well for single family homeowners or for town homeowners who own their roofs. It does not work for renters or for condo owners who don't own their roofs. So if you've got trees near your home, be careful, make sure a solar professional looks at it and lets you know if your home is good for solar. Now, a lot of solar professionals are there trying to sell you solar all the time. So even if you might not have a good roof, they might tell you you do and make you buy solar, and then, you're not going to be a very happy camper. If you're looking for a solar quote, you can email me a recent electric bill. I'm at john@mysolarhome.us, and I'll let you know if solar is a good investment for you, and I'll also give you options on how much a solar project will cost you. Now, there are different solar options. You can buy your solar system by paying cash. You can buy your solar system with a loan, so no out of pocket. You'll have a monthly payment. Or the third is the solar lease of the PPA, where you don't own the system, somebody else owns the system, you pay a rent, which is like renting the solar system. The rental PPA or lease option has got a very bad name in the solar industry because folks tend to sell this the most, and they sell it to you at the highest rents possible, where you end up saving nothing or sometimes over time actually paying more for electricity. So for most folks, I would ask you to avoid the lease or the PPA unless you have a really honest solar professional doing it for you. I normally don't offer the lease or the PPA, but if somebody wants it, I could give you a quote. I think doing the solar, if you don't want to spend money getting a solar loan and getting solar on your roof is is a much better proposition than doing a PPA or a lease. Homes with solar typically sell 20% faster and get a 4 to 6% premium on prices. So there you go. If you're a single family homeowner, you've got good solar access, you want to do your bit for the environment, and your electric rates are more than 10 cents a kilowatt hour, you are a good candidate for solar. If you're interested in learning more about the prices of solar system, how many panels you need, I've got a lot more videos on my channel. Or or to make life easier for you, you can just email a recent electric bill to me and I can send you a proposal back. I'm John at mysolarhome.us. I hope you like this video. Have a great day.